Hello, my friends. How are you today? Sorry, it's taken a little long for this video because last week I got an accident, bike accident, so I was not able to make video. But now almost everything is okay. From now you will get regular new video on my channel. Today I back with another brand new video regarding engulfing candle. All of we know that the engulfing candle is very important candle for both the platform, Forex and binary. But most of we don't know when the engulfing candle will work or not, because there is almost 50% engulfing candle does not work as we expect. You don't need to be worried about it because today I'm going to clarify everything about engulfing candle. So after watching the video you can use the engulfing candle properly. So try to watch the video without skip. Before begin, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe the channel, and thanks a lot who already subscribed and inspiring me to make new video every time. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and share the video with your friends if you think they can be benefited by watching the video. Also, you can join me on Telegram where I publish regular update. I would like to share a few recent comments that I have from my lovely followers. Thanks for everything. I have been told you a lot of time that do not hurry to make profit, rather than try to reduce your losing trades. If you can do this, then definitely you will be success in trading. Remember, today is for learning. Earning may be tomorrow. Analyze your past history and identify what mistake you made and try to avoid. When we sit in front of the chart, we understand that trading is very easy and everyone can make money. Yes, you are right. That trading is easy, but not for everyone. You can make money easily and every day, but you have to have proper knowledge. So try to gather experience, then start trading. Doesn't matter how long does it take, but it's better than losing your money. This is a series video about ultimate understanding of candlesticks. And today is the 5th episode for this series. I hope you already learned a lot from my previous classes. There I have discussed all about hanging man, shooting star, spinning top, hammer, inverted hammer, tweezer bottom, tweezer tops, evening star, morning star, and so on. No need to be worried if you missed all the videos. You can find all the previous classes video link on the upper right corner here. Go and watch. If you want to learn everything about trading more precisely, the candlestick psychology, and make money every day, then you can collect the learning course from me. I made 3 different type of trading course for you. The complete course of educational videos, the expert version of training course, and the sheer short of learning course. For more details, you can write me on the Telegram. The contact details given on the video description below. Be aware about scammer. I am not liable for any transaction you made other than the details of this video. So let's begin to identify some engulfing candle and discuss about. Here you can see a bullish engulfing candle, and on this chart also we can see a bullish engulfing candle. Let me tell you, the engulfing candle will work here or not. As we can see, the market is going down from here. Strong selling pressure, sellers become weaker, but still new low. This candle was with selling pressure from upper side, and still the candle is very strong. Though this is buyer's trade, but as this is seller's momentum, so we should not consider here the buyers was trade, sorry. But if the left side has a level here, something like this, then we can consider buyers was trade. As there is no any level on left side, so we should not consider there is buyers. Rather than we can consider this is selling pressure too. Here we can see sellers become little weak, but after weaker we can see direct sellers entry with small rejection from lower side, and there is no any rejection upper side. When you see there is no rejection on upper side, most of the time we can expect red candle here. It means this engulfing will not work mostly, especially when it forms on middle of this trend, middle of this range here. Like the market is going down up to this level, maybe up to this level, and this is middle of this range. So in this range, that engulfing candle will not work here. See the engulfing candle didn't work here. Now here also we have another engulfing candle. Now can you tell me the engulfing candle will work here or not? Let me tell you something about this engulfing. This is a level and it's valid level. Why? This rejection confirms this is a valid level. Though the seller's momentum was strong because most of the candle are sellers except this candle. When market reached to this level, we have sudden buyer's entry. See, every candle has buyers. This candle has also buyers because the previous candle was green candle. But buyers unable to make a green candle, so and there is gap. Therefore, we have another seller's entry. And every candle has few buyers, but sellers are more active than the buyers. Now, let me make it clean. When market reaches to this level, we have buyer's entry, and you can see this is very strong rejection compared with previous two candles. After opening this candle, still there is gap because buyers are here, but sellers are here. Then we have again seller's entry, and the candle unable to make new low, rather than the candle close within the level. Therefore, we have few sellers here. Let me make it clean. Few sellers here, but still there is no new low. Rather than why few sellers? Because still this is a seller's momentum. Now we can see strong buying force and buyers made new high here. This is previous high, this is new high, and this is an engulfing candle. As here we can see price drop, again tried, again drop, again tried, drop. So according to this candlestick formation, candlestick psychology, after that there should be buyer's entry. Maybe there will some sellers too, something like this, but it will reject most of the time in this case if you compare with these three candles. Now let me show you the candle here. Okay, so green candle. Now what will happen here? We know this is middle of this trend, middle of this range, or we can consider this level too. Both the level is perfect. This is strong candle compared with all others candle. Strong means bigger candle. Like this is green candle, but this is very strong, and there is no lower side rejection. You can see direct buyer's entry, small breakout with upper side rejection. It means there we can expect a retrace candle. Maybe small, but there should be a retrace candle after this formation. We have a retrace candle here. This is engulfing, but this is retrace candle too. And after this scenario, we can expect here a red candle. Maybe with upper side rejection, or it can reject from lower side too, but there most of the time, about 80 to 90% time, we can expect here red candle. Now let me show you the candle here, red candle. But this is compared with the previous all the candle, all these candles, this is weak candle with lower side rejection. It means but tried, this is breakout. Due to this breakout, due to this intermediate level, we can see here seller's entry. But though this is weak candle and also with lower side rejection, it means you can see buyer's entry, seller's tried, sellers up to this level. So after this, the market will try to reach this level, and especially if it's a sideways market, definitely we can expect here buyer's entry. And if it's an uptrend market, then we can expect buyer's entry. But if this is downtrend market, then sometimes we can expect U-turn from here, like like this, like U-turn. Maybe the market will try to go down if it's a downtrend. Otherwise, here we can expect buyer's entry. Now let me show you the candle. Okay, strong buyers, and there is no level left side. Now you can see upper side has a strong rejection, but still the level is far from the candle. So after that also you can expect buyer's entry. Now this is green candle, this is small breakout, green candle, small breakout, and there is unable to make new high. So what do you think after this candle? Do you expect green candle or red candle? Just write me on the comment section below. I'll tell you if you are right or wrong. Don't copy the comments from someone else. Try to use your knowledge. Let me show you other formation here. It's a bearish engulfing. We can see the market formation here, like the market is going up. It's a retracing candle, like the market is trying to retrace. Maybe the left side has level, we don't know. But according to this candle formation, candle psychology, buyers become weaker gradually, then strong sellers, but sellers become weaker. Still there is new low. So after this also we should not take any decision, but if the left side has level, then we can take trading decision after this candle too. Let me show you the next candle. It's an engulfing candle. Now from here we can see market is trying to bounce. Maybe the left side has a level, and this candle made a new high, sorry. According to this formation, this market condition, the market is trying to go up. So this green engulfing candle, this bullish engulfing candle will work this time, because the market got support from here. Sellers become weaker gradually here, sellers become weaker gradually, and market is trying to moving up. So after this candle, also there is new high. After this candle we can expect buyer's entry here. Yes, buyer's entry, again buyer's entry. This is Marubozu candle, and if the left side has a level, something here or maybe here, if the candle form in this situation, then we can expect seller's entry here. Okay, but also if the level is here, still we can expect a retrace candle here. If the level is that middle here, then the retrace candle will be something like this with rejection. Or if the level is here, maybe it can close up to this level too, but most of the time here we can expect a retrace candle. Now let me show you what happened after this candle. Engulfing candle, and it's a Marubozu candle. Remember this point, when any engulfing form with Marubozu type, like see both the candle does not have any rejection. In this scenario, most of the time we can expect small opposite direction candle, like this is red candle, we can expect green candle, small green candle most of the time with upper side rejection, because both the candle is Marubozu candle, like this. Now the candle close with small breakout here, but we know there is price action here. So as this is a strong candle, again a strong candle with small breakout with the lower side rejection, it means like this. So let me tell you something about this point. This is small breakout, but if you check this wicks, okay, still it's a breakout, small breakout, but this is not considerable breakout. This is considerable. If we consider only open and closing price, then this is a breakout, but if we consider the wicks, then this is not a breakout. Now as I told you, small green candle, most of the time it will happen when you see this scenario, both the candle is Marubozu candle, or sometimes we can expect another green candle up to this level, then maybe market will go down. Now after this small breakout, most of the time we can expect here a retrace candle. Why? Because left side has a price action. Okay, these three candles confirms that there is an intermediate level, so it will respect at least for 1 minute. After this candle, then we can decide whether the market will go up or down. If the candle is very small, then again the market will go down. If the candle is strong like engulfing, still the market will try to go down, because after this engulfing it will not work, because this is an intermediate level, something like this. Okay, so let me show you the candle. Okay, this is small candle, small green candle with upper side rejection. It means the market is trying to go down. Yes, something like this. Let me tell you about last candle. The candle close almost to this level. We can consider the candle close at the level. The previous candle has rejection, though there is no touch like this. This is fully touched, but there is no touch. Strong candle, strong sellers become little weaker. Again, the sellers is quite strong. Candle close at the level. Now I have two questions to all of you. Number one is here, what will be the next candle with proper explain, and number two, what will be the next candle with proper explain. Don't copy the answer from someone else. Try to use your knowledge so that I can understand is the lesson is going to help you or not. Now I am going to show you some engulfing candle from different kind of chart. This is chart 1. Can you identify an engulfing candle here? Okay, here we have an engulfing candle and it works. Let me tell you why the engulfing candle works here. This is green candle, quite a strong candle. This is also green candle with upper side rejection, but this is a reversal candle. So after reversal candle, we have a red candle. It means this reversal candle works. That means the market is following the general rules. Also another thing is, this is engulfing candle and the previous price action level or the round numbers is here, which is far from the closing price. It means there are more chance to work the engulfing candle. So when you read all the history from last 3 candles, then definitely you will understand that engulfing candle is going to work here. Now let me show you, is there any engulfing candle or not. Yes, here we have an engulfing candle too. Now let me tell you history about this engulfing and why the engulfing candle works here. We know this is a seller's momentum, strong sellers moved the market up to this level, then it got rejected. Again sellers tried, but again it got rejected. Finally the candle is an engulfing candle. Now we can see here double bottom pattern. If you check the graph chart, you will see this double bottom pattern. So when you see any double top and double bottom pattern, most of the time it will work if the pattern formed at the level. So there are a lot of reason to work this engulfing because the sellers become weaker gradually. This is double bottom pattern. This is an engulfing candle. Now let me show you another chart here. Okay, here is an engulfing candle, but it didn't work. Why it didn't work? Because this is green candle, this is strong green candle. This candle has selling pressure, but at the end the candle closed at the round numbers. Again buyers was tried little. You can see there is new high. Though the candle is an engulfing, but the previous candle, let me make it clean. The previous candle has rejection from lower side. This candle buyers was tried and made a new high. So now we understand why the engulfing candle didn't work. This is engulfing candle, but still we have buyer's entry. Now if you check each and everything clearly, I hope you can avoid this kind of engulfing candle because the previous candle has rejection. It means buying pressure. This candle has buying pressure too, though at the end the sellers, but there is new high. Market is an uptrend maybe because it's strong buyers. So if you see this kind of scenario, try to avoid your trade here. Now let me show you about this engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle and this time it works. Why? Because now combine these two. This is double top pattern. See, one time bounce, 2 time bounce. Also this candle, let me make it clean. This candle, there is no new high. The previous candle has rejection from upper side. This candle has also rejection from upper side. Direct buyer's entry. Candle close at the level. The buyers tried, unable to make new high. Rather than we can see new low, and there is a level. So still there is gap to this level. Or if you consider this is a level, still there is gap. So there are a lot of reasons that we can consider this is a valid engulfing candle. So in this chart we have two different engulfing candle. It works and it didn't work. Now check the difference. Why this engulfing candle didn't work and why this engulfing candle worked properly. I have discussed very deeply about all the candlesticks, all the patterns on my educational course. So after watching this video, if you have any doubt or still you are not a profitable trader, then you can collect the learning course from me. But do not jump into trading without verified your result because the money making is not easy from trading. So try to learn properly before you burn your capital. Does not matter what is the investment size is. Today or tomorrow you will lost everything you have if you don't have proper knowledge. I do not recommend you to learn from me, but you have to learn. You can learn from anyone else, no problem. But you have to learn. Without proper learn, you are not able to make money. Maybe you will make money for few days, but at the end you will lost everything you have. Remember this thing. Anyway, Let me show you few more charts here. Okay, here is an engulfing candle for this chart, but I don't think that I need to discuss about this engulfing because both the engulfing is almost same, so I'll not waste your time here. Okay, here we can see an engulfing and it didn't work, and I think there is lot of reason why the engulfing candle didn't work. According to this candlestick formation, candlestick psychology, it was a level. If you have experience, then you don't need to look back for long history to find a level. By watching few candles, you can understand where the level is. So this is the level. According to this market formation, market condition, there's supposed to be a green candle, maybe small or maybe engulfing, but it's supposed to be a green candle. But maybe the market is strong downtrend, therefore it was a breakout candle. This is a round number. Still, the round number also broken by this candle, but the lower side has small rejection. This is direct seller's entry. You can see past all the candles there is no direct seller's entry. Few buyers, but this is direct seller's entry. It means the candle is different from any other candle. Therefore, we have strong buyer's entry. This is an engulfing, but according to this market formation, market condition, and the candlestick psychology, we should not consider this is an engulfing. Why? This is Marubozu candle. If the candle form after this formation from here, then we can consider this is an engulfing. Or if this candle is stop at least here, then it form, then still we can consider as a engulfing candle. But see, both the candle, this level has been broken, this level has been broken, and suddenly Marubozu candle forms. It means 70 to 80% time this engulfing candle will not work. Remember this scenario. Now let me show you another chart here. Okay, here we have a strong engulfing candle, but it didn't work. I have told you a lot of time, when you see any strong candle after a momentum, it was a buyer's momentum. So after buyer's momentum, suddenly strong seller's entry. This is definitely engulfing, but it will not work most of the time because this is very strong candle compared with all others candle, and the left side has a price action. You can see this is a price action. Sudden buyer's entry up to this level, then seller's side. So it was a level. It was divided by this candle, this candle, and this rejection, and candle close exactly at the level. Though this is an engulfing, but it will not work because of all this reason. It was a momentum. This is very strong candle. Candle close at the previous price action level. Okay, so therefore the engulfing candle didn't work. Here I have showed you some engulfing candle. Few of them worked properly, but some of them didn't work properly, and I already told you the reason why this engulfing candle didn't work. Why this engulfing candle didn't work, and why this engulfing candle didn't work. But it works properly. This is also, you can see there 50%, almost 50% engulfing candle works here, but another 50% didn't work. Now you already know that why I have told you that the 50% of engulfing candle is not working on the market. So you have to identify and avoid the trading for the 50% engulfing which will not work in this market. I hope the video is going to help you directly in trading. If so, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and write me on the comment section below. Thank you for enjoying the video. I will be back with the new video soon. Till then, take care.